Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of the South African Adventure Series. Yes, as you have guessed it right, in this video I will be taking you through some of the magnificent wine estates in the Franschhoek region. How you can visit these places and what are the best mode of transport, all of that I have discussed in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, I will drop the link to it in the description box so that you can check it out later. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Sunny and I have been traveling around the world for the past few years now. So here to share my experience to plan your dream vacation better. But enough of that, let's get this video started.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the views as we make our way to Rickety Bridge.
Franschhoek in Afrikaans language means French corner, which is a small town located in the western Cape Province and is considered to be one of the oldest towns in South Africa, home to numerous wine estates. First on the list, Rickety Bridge. It is one of the renowned wineries in the region with long-standing history dating back to 1797. As it was owned by the first female landowner in South Africa. Today, it offers not only some amazing rosé and chardonnay, but also offers accommodation to its guests at its quintessential manor house. Among its wine collections, Paulina's Reserve and Foundation Stone are some of its finest. Next on the list, Grande Provence. This historical estate is home to a working winery with 5-star restaurant, a casual dining bistro, and luxurious lodging at the owner's cottage and vineyard suites. Set in the picturesque surrounding of the Franschhoek Valley with curated garden, it would surely mesmerize you while sipping into their fine white and rosé wines. I tried the MCC oyster tasting experience, which comprised of 2 glasses of MCC wine and 3 oyster servings, which costed me 255 Rand. Though honestly speaking, in my opinion, the wine was good, the oyster pairing wasn't. However, bonus point for all art lovers as they premiere contemporary art in their exhibition gallery, where they showcase painting and sculptures of renowned local artists. And yes, they do sell some of them as well. As I had a bit of time crunch, I moved on to the next. Franschhoek Cellar. It is yet another beautiful estate that combines the charm of a leisurely country life with elegance of a world-class venue. Among the different activities it offers, Wine Challenge was really intriguing to me, in which they offer 6 wines to taste blindfoldedly, and you need to identify them correctly in order to complete the challenge. But alas, I am not an expert. So I tried out the wine tasting paired with Belgian chocolate instead. Although, to my surprise, as I liked it so much that I had to buy a bottle of Shiraz. Moving on to the next, Mont Rochelle. As you can imagine, by now after tasting multiple glasses of wine, I was floating on cloud 9. So instead of putting my cowboy hat and saying "Yee-haw," I rushed to the restaurant to calm my horses and stay sober. but I must say, the food was really amazing. I tried the chorizo pasta and the cheesecake for dessert, and it's a complete 10 out of 10. And why not? It's owned by Sir Richard Branson after all. And finally, it was Haute Cabrière. Although my returning bus to Cape Town from Franschhoek tram station was about to leave in another 20 minutes, I took this desperate attempt to visit this estate. Wondering why? As it has some of the best red wine collections. So without wasting any time, I bought a bottle of Pinot Noir Reserve costing 323 Rand and called it a day. Final thoughts. Personally speaking, out of the 5 estates that I visited, Franschhoek Cellar and Haute Cabrière I liked the most for its wine, and Mont Rochelle definitely for its food. Perhaps because I prefer red wine over white. Another point to note, if you have more time in your hand, try to keep 3 estate visits in a day. In that way, you can truly enjoy the essence of the place and the flavor of the wine. Literally. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next.